Okay, this is interesting a little bit. God damn, it just looks like a wall. Okay, look, man, I'm not trying to fucking be a conspiracy person. I know everybody's trying to trash me and say that I am, but I'm not. I'm just a person that's looking at shit. Okay, 4. Man, that looks kind of fucking weird. It just looks like a wall. Boom, wall, wall. I mean, it's not completely structurally straight, but it's kind of strange looking. Like when I look at it from here, man, you gotta think, man, I'm looking at it from my phone and I'm looking at it from my naked eye. Different kind of concepts, but it's really strange in a way. No, I'm not trying to do anything. I'm not trying to say anything about anything. I know one thing, it's fucking windy as fuck. And it's extremely comfortable right now. It's windy and it's so nice. I don't think I've been inside the house since, like, boom, boom, look. Everything's windy. Windy. It's all windy. It's real windy. It's so fucking nice out here. Boom, 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 boom. I don't think I've been inside the house since about 8 o'clock this morning. I've been out here all fucking day. I don't want to go back in there. I want to stay outside all fucking day long. Yeah, that dude's got like a sun will thing. Or a sun thing. He's like a whatever the fuck he is, like a global, or he's like a person who likes to do solar. Yeah, I couldn't get it out of my head. Man, it's nice out here. It's fucking nice. I don't know what's gonna happen. It seems like it's gonna be rainy soon. Yeah, alright. I'm sorry that's stupid video.